How are you feeling today?
I'm better. My voice is gone, but I'm feeling much better. So my voice is just kind of rough from all the coughing. But are your kids back at school, Rainy?
They are. They went back today. I'm not kidding. It was a super rough week. I was telling you
Oh,
that my daughter got her wisdoms out, and then my kids
yes.
were home all week, and then my granddaughter got strep throat, and I mean, it
Oh,
was just one thing after the other. So, that super blessing of them going back to school today made my whole week.
good. How about you, Rachel? How's life in DC? Where are you?
I'm close to DC, yeah. I'm in Virginia.
Virginia. That's right,
Yeah,
Virginia.
it's good. I'm just still trying to get all my classes to work together and figure out my schedule and all of that.
How many classes are you taking, Rachel?
5. Yeah. Yeah. I know. I want to
Good.
graduate before I have kids, so
I would suggest it. It's hard. It's worth it, but it's hard.
Yeah. I mean, I have one on the way, but if I still
Oh,
thank
congratulations!
you.
Yay!
When are you due?
October 12th.
Nice.
Okay.
Yep.
That's exciting.
Yeah.
Are you feeling good?
Yeah. Yeah, I feel a lot better. It was rough for a while, but I'm good.
Well, good. That's so exciting. I remember waiting for my first. That's a fun time.
Yeah. Yeah, it is. It's a little scary, but it's good.
Yes. All right, guys, let's plow in, yeah?
Yeah.
How was homework for you, part 2?
This one was a lot harder for me than last time. This one was a lot harder.
I agree. How about you, Raimi? You've already done it, right?
Yeah, I was familiar with it, so I just kind of whipped it out. But as I stepped into the prep for lesson 3, I was like, oh yeah, here we go. Like this lesson 3 information, a lot of this stuff we have to carry with us as we move forward. So
okay.
I took extra good notes this time. I don't think I did the first time. And so I didn't retain a whole lot of it. And as I was moving forward, it was a lot harder for me.
Okay.
And as we move forward, I'll show you, but the p-value information, when it talks about reject the null and fail the null, we will carry that through the whole semester.
Okay.
So take really great notes on that.
Thanks.
Or know where you can go and review it, because I couldn't even remember where to review it, and I would spend hours looking for it.
Okay. Did anybody have any problems with number 6, figuring out those numbers, the mean, standard deviation, and sample size for the 5 different categories or data sets, whatever?
I did just a little bit because I still have to watch the videos, but just reading it, like I can't just read how to figure out a problem, and then just be able to do it. So I still have to watch the videos, but I struggle with that just a little bit.
I don't think you were online, at least for this week's group meeting. I didn't go to the first live meeting with Brother Balls, but I watched that video, even though it was really long. And then this week I was there for 90% of it. I had to leave for the last 20 minutes. It was fantastic, and it explained it all.
Okay.
So if you've read the lesson, I would I watched those videos, and it's a different teacher explaining it, and they're okay. But I really like the way Brother Balls walked us through it.
Okay.
So it was really helpful. So they're long. Like this week's meeting was like 1 hour and 9 minutes or something.
Okay.
But it's good, and it really helps.
Okay, perfect. I will go watch that because
and everybody did that same thing last semester. How much helpful he was.
Okay.
Perfect.
And I was glad I was there live because I had heard it, but then the chunk that I don't know, 10, 15 minutes I missed at the end, that was where he goes over how to cut and paste, the columns of information that we're dragging from the data set into the Excel spreadsheet. And it's just a cut and paste thing, right? But the first time I was frozen, I had to go watch the video, see how he said cut and paste it to make it quick.
Uh-huh.
And then I could go through the rest of them pretty quick.
Okay.
Were you able to make the, get into it and make the histograms for the 5 different data sets?
Yeah, that part's okay. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So I guess 8, it says compare the results you obtained with the others in your group. Describe the differences and similarities between the different graphs. Well, hopefully we have the same thing because we all have the same data sets, but what did you, I don't know, like they should all be the same, right? Mean, modes. Rami, what do you have to share about this?
About number 8.
Yeah.
Mine never seemed to match the answer key.
Oh, really?
Yours match the answer key?
Yeah.
Oh, maybe I'm doing it wrong. And maybe they updated the answer key, and so I just didn't look at it this time because it was a big problem last time.
Big problem meaning that yours didn't match up with the.
And everybody was talking about that.
Well, I mean, mine look different because they're not as long and spread out, but mine have the same, oh, I forget the term, bimodal, you know, asymmetrical, whatever, you know, the bell curve, you know, where it's all, the data's high in the center. So I don't know how to, I don't think on here, we should have done Zoom. I don't know if either of you know Zoom, but I know on Zoom you can share your screen, but like.
You can on here too.
Can you?
Yeah, it's in the, on the left side, the little green screen with the arrow.
Ah. Share. What are you seeing?
Oh, wow.
Are you seeing 15 of me or 15 of my screen? So this is mine. Can you see my homework?
Oh, hey.
Are you seeing my screen?
Yeah.
Okay, so here's mine. And I just cut and pasted those in. Now that looks different than the answer sheet, right?
Yeah.
But if you compare the highs and the lows, I think I have it. I don't know. I think I have it right. Maybe I'm wrong. See this? For B? I did B, but I think it's 2 or whatever it is. But I don't know. Am I wrong?
No, you probably are right.
Yeah.
So that's how I got it. I don't know if I'm wrong. I hope I'm not wrong because so this is my homework, right? I did the mean, standard deviations, and sample sizes. And then, you know, from each of those, I did the 5 different ones.
Nice.
Does that look like yours, Rachel? Rainy?
Yeah,
No?
I should have copied and pasted. I didn't. But yeah, that's what mine turned out to look like too.
Okay. And Rami, do you think that this is wrong or?
No, you look pretty good.
Okay.
I'll have to review that.
Okay. For number 9, I had to ask my husband for help figuring this out. You know, if you were saving for retirement, which of these 5 companies would you be most attractive? I guess I needed his help understanding and deciphering the information, but you know, when we looked at it, I said B, we said B.
Yeah.
Because, is that what you got, Rachel?
Yeah, or C. I think.
Yes,
yeah,
B or C.
Yeah.
Yes. Oh, this one does go further out, I guess. You're right. C does go further out as far as time, right?
Mm-hmm.
So, okay. All right. Rami?
That's what everybody said last semester. B or C, yeah.
Oh, good. Okay. I love it. And then I didn't know how to do 10, you guys. Did you figure out 10? I didn't know what. I was trying to pull in the information. I didn't do it because I couldn't figure out what data we were we supposed to pull from the actual, where is it? Where am I at? From our actual homework? Were we supposed to pull from, you know, what was in the lesson, this? Or was there an actual data set? Because I didn't find a data set. for, like, this is the one, mystery investments, right?
Yeah.
What did you guys use?
I didn't do it because you'll never have to do it by hand that I recall. But I remember seeing something in the book about how to do it by hand.
Right. Like at the very end of the lesson, it talks you through and it has that example there with that bird flu, whatever lesson information, right?
Yeah.
But I just thought, I didn't know if I was supposed to use that information, those numbers that were given, or if there was a data set. And I had my husband sitting next to me. He's like, I have no idea. Like, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I honestly didn't do it either because I just didn't feel like it, honestly.
Did you
never
it,
do it by hand.
No, I was confused on that one too because I thought it was supposed to be there, but I mean, I kind of read something about it in the book, but I wasn't sure. Like,
right. Well, and I thought, okay, I get that they want us to do it, but they literally, through all the steps, walk us through, and you see what it's supposed to look like. They drew it out.
Yeah.
Rami, we've never had to, like, on a test or anything, we never had to draw one that you're aware of.
I really don't remember it.
Okay.
Everything in the Excel, in, out, in, out.
Okay. Well, I'm terrible at Excel, like formulas, but I'm comfortable with doing the Excel this way. Rachel, I'm telling you, even if you just fast forwarded through the whole meeting and you watch maybe the last 20 minutes of this week's session, it'll help you figure out the cut and paste, and it'll be quick.
Okay, that'll be good because that was the only thing that I had a hard time with. Is just, I don't know, I can't read; I have to see. So
yeah,
that was easy. I can do that by just the reading, but yeah, as far as figuring out like standard deviation and stuff, that was a little harder.
Oh, so if you want to watch the whole video, he goes over it in a lot of detail. It's great.
Okay. I think I'll watch the whole thing and just take really good notes and all of that because, yeah, I'm a visual learner, so.
Perfect.
Yeah, I had to do the whole thing too. That's why last semester this was so hard for me because I'd go back to the video, watch him, then you watch the other video of the other speaker, and I'm taking notes. I mean, and everybody has their own way.
Mm-hmm.
And then even when you visit with the tutor, she has her own way, and you're like, ah.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a lot of information. Just, yeah.
Okay, are we ready to jump into the quiz, you guys?
Yeah.
So I hope I can contribute. We'll see.
Me too. I feel like we're all in the same boat, which is nice. Not that we don't need a leader, but.
I know. It was so sad that this one was so different from last lesson. Like last lesson, I got it, no big deal. And then I was reading this and I was like, oh my heck, I don't know what's going on.
Well, I'll tell you, to be honest, I hadn't done the homework. I hadn't even looked at lesson 3 yet. And I did the group meeting with Brother Balls and I was like, what is he talking about?
Right.
What are these terms? Q1, Q2, Q3. And like, I remember meaning and mode from algebra and, like high school math, but I was kind of at a disadvantage, and I won't do that to myself next week. I will be sure to do the lessons before the video with him, but just so I know the language at least, and then he can help me understand it. But okay, group meeting quiz. I'm just getting into it. Sorry. Oh my gosh. Start quiz. My internet like froze. Oh, here it goes. It's just slow. Okay. Oh gosh, 16 questions. You guys ready?
Okay.
I got 2 right. How about you?
Yep. Yeah, got the first 2 right.
All right. While you're required to work on this, you'll need the following data file.
Yeah, we need to pull up our Excel.
Okay.
Oh my.
Mine's loading really slow too. Maybe it's because we're doing the camera thing. I don't know, but.
Mm-hmm.
And we'll use this chart, this quantitative data one, most of the semester too. You'll go back and forth from this.
I don't know why it's not opening for me. Are you guys there? Mine isn't opening.
Uh-huh.
I'm so sorry.
Yeah, it's okay. Just take your time.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just shutting it down. I'm going to have to open it again. Oh, here. I think it's responding now. Don't say it. There we go. Okay. I didn't shut down my computer last night from working, so maybe it was just frozen. Okay, it's opening now.
Well, we'll be able to walk you through this and help you with the copying pasting now because we're going to have to do it.
Okay. Where do I get I had to close Excel, so where do I get the
Okay, so you go
name
back.
page?
Let me get there.
I'm in the book. I know he said course resources, the data file, Excel tools, right?
Yes.
And quantitative descriptive statistics. Got it.
Yeah.
Okay. Sorry, ladies. All
That's
right.
fine. And then the other one you'll need to pull up is the one we're using now. Wrong
Data
page.
file. That one open.
Okay.
All right. So am I there? Yes. Okay.
Okay, so are we doing wrong site or wrong patient? Sorry. Site.
Wrong side, yeah.
Okay. So go to number 2. Do you know how to highlight everything and carry it down?
Yeah.
Okay.
This one's done really far.
Yeah.
I know. I'm at like 200 already. Come on. 400. There we go.
And then you'll right click and copy.
Copy, okay.
And you just paste it into the other file.
Okay, wait, what other file? Sorry.
Okay, so let me get there. So I'm copying. And then now you go into the other file called the quantitative descriptive statistics. Did you open that one?
Maybe I didn't.
Okay.
So you'll have 2 Excel tabs open or 2
Yes.
spreadsheets open.
Oh, okay.
So you get that one. That one's from the lesson. That one's in the book. Do you have the book tab open to get there?
That one opened. Okay, I remember reading that.
I just opened it.
Okay.
So enable editing on each so that you could just grab the data.
Quantitative descriptive, okay. Okay, so then you paste it in the left part, right?
Yes, that's
Okay.
blue. And then everything will just show up in the box right here called numerical descriptive statistic.
Oh, okay.
So it's really that easy.
So wait, which column? I haven't really read this question thoroughly. Which column are we grabbing?
The site, wrong site. The one on the left, A.
Okay, where does it say? It doesn't say that. I'm reading the question again. Does it say that? That's what we want to grab? Philip,
Find
a study.
in the wrong site lawsuit.
Got it. Wrong site, wrong patient.
So when you're putting your answers in, do not put commas or dollar signs, just the number.
Just the data.
Yeah.
Right.
Because last time we didn't know that and we were struggling.
Oh, he says that specifically in the video this time.
So now you go for number 4, you just go back to that same screen and the median is already in. Is that what they wanted, median?
Or the mean?
Find the median amount hospitals had to pay. Find the median.
Sorry, you guys are ahead of me.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay. Go ahead. I'm just pasting the data now.
So I got 80041.24.
For the mean, yes, I have that too.
Okay.
Oh, that's not what I have.
Oh, what'd you get?
Mine's 79079.
So which column did you grab?
I grabbed let's see.
A or B from the data set? And are you sure? Okay, so did you grab column 1? Because if you grab column or row 1, it screws it up. You want to start from 2, and then what did it go down?
And did all the way down.
2 to 412?
Yes.
I would clear it and try and cut and paste it again.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sorry, this is going to take a little while.
No, that's okay.
Well, I'm glad we can help you through this, so your homework will be
Yeah, a little
Yeah.
video.
Okay. And then in the other one for A, does it start on column 7?
What do you mean the other one? So
in-
you're not taking B. You only want column A right now.
Right, and then in the quantitative descriptive statistics, when I paste it into column A.
So no, over there, you're gonna paste over on the left. You're gonna click on A2.
2.
Only click A2 and then paste, and then it'll fill in everything down.
Okay, this is so weird. And then we're looking at the mean. Is that what?
Yes. So now in the main section, under the chart that says with the blue header, how it has the numerical descriptive statistics. What does your mean say now?
Oh, my mean says 79445.
Can you share your screen so we can see what you're clicking?
Yeah.
Oh, good idea.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, can you see my screen?
Not yet. Oh, I'm on the wrong spot. I'm still looking at Excel.
Yes, I can see it.
Okay. So over here, this is where I pasted my information. Is an A.
Let me see.
I think I got all of it. And then here's where my mean is.
Can you go back to Excel?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So here's that, and I copied.
Go all the way down.
To 412.
Yeah.
And then, okay, I'm going to redo my numbers. I'm just going to, maybe you have it right and maybe I grabbed wrong. I'm just going to clear mine.
Okay.
Wow. Because it does look like you're doing it right.
Yeah.
Try yourself. Okay, copy. And then paste. Nope, I still got 841.2433.
That's so weird.
Yeah, no kidding.
Wrong site patient. 97465. 97465. Will you show me your Rachel, will you go back to the data set? To
Yeah.
the 36, 141. 36, 140. I just want to compare it just for a second to mine. 102, 362. Yeah, you have the same data set.
That's weird. I don't know.
And you went all the way down, right? To you. I didn't see where you stopped grabbing, but
Yeah, it was 412. Oh, okay. It didn't.
what?
I'll do that maybe. Let me see if that changed it. Okay, It didn't grab all of the data in the quantitative one. It didn't go all the way down. So now I'm good.
Oh.
I'm at 80070.
Oh, yay.
All right.
Okay. Sorry,
Woohoo.
that took us forever.
Well, but that's important to realize. Like, I did that last night with one of those 5 that we had to do, and I was getting the wrong answer, so I asked my husband to come over, and of course I didn't scroll all the way down, so I was missing like 3 rows. He's like, "You don't have all the data."
Okay.
Oops, my bad. Thanks, honey.
Okay.
Really
So for the answers, all we put is 80070, right? Because it's to the nearest dollar.
I put 80041.
Wait, does it say that? Round your answer to the nearest whole dollar. And hold on. Oops. Yeah, because you round down 8,041, right? So should one of us submit that?
What did you say your numbers were, Rachel?
So for my mean is 80070.
You have 70? I have 41.
Oh,
I have 41.
dang. So mine's still off. What in the world?
I would clear it and try it one more time.
Okay.
You know how to clear it completely? And clear your clipboard so that you're for sure pasting new data, not old data.
I don't think so.
So, top left, I'll share my screen.
Okay.
Sorry. It takes a second. So, over here, like, are you seeing my screen yet?
Not yet.
Oh.
Okay, there we go.
Okay. So over here, do you see how it's it's got the dotted lines around it saying it's been, but if I go to this little thing and I go clipboard, I can clear all the data. You see that? Now my clipboard is empty. You want to make sure that when you're going between the two, and like last night we had all those 5 columns to move over. Like I would just, do all this. I would just, there's probably an easier way, but I would just make sure to go all the way down. It's completely, hit delete, and I have no data, right? Again, nothing's going to carry over, so it's going to be all new. That's what I would just do. And then I would go back. I'm at the bottom. So
I just pushed delete.
You just push delete?
Yeah.
I just clicked on A. I just clicked right up here to A, and so I know that the whole row is highlighted. Now that information is in my clipboard. Oh, it should be. Well, I didn't click copy yet. copy. Now that's all in my clipboard.
Huh.
And so now I'm over here. I click in A2 and I want to paste all.
That's
And then
funny.
look.
I do it a little bit different, but we get the same results.
But then see, I'm back at the same mean of 8,041.
Super.
Do you get that, Rachel?
Mine's being done, but it's okay. We can just write down what you guys got, and I don't know, try to figure it out later because it's not letting me delete anything.
Oh, really?
Yeah. It won't let me delete the column. But it's okay. I have no idea what's going on with this.
Is it still highlighted with the green dots around it, like that it wants to copy, or is it?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
It's okay.
Oh my gosh. I don't know why mine's being so dumb.
Is it letting you do anything?
It highlights, but then it doesn't do. I'm trying to erase what's in the quantitative descriptive part.
Oh, so you can't. Did you clear all the data?
That's what I'm trying to do, and it won't.
You want to share your screen so I can see?
Yeah. I don't know why this is so hard for me.
It took me I was probably up till after midnight last night doing it. I was so frustrated. That's why I gave up on 10. I was like, forget it.
Okay. Can you see my screen? You're good.
Yes. So are you deleting it one item at a time?
No, so when I hold on. Oh my goodness. Okay, so when I'm highlighting and then
you hit
Just
delete.
push delete.
Yeah, and then I highlight all the way down.
Mm-hmm.
We'll ever get there. Okay. And then it doesn't have see how the outline isn't dotted, I guess?
Oh, just still hit the delete button on your keyboard.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, and then that's what I do, and then it just brings me back up to the top and deletes the first line that I started out with.
Ooh. Okay, click the letter A at the top of the column.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Now the whole thing, now hit delete.
Oh.
Oh.
It just deleted the first line, so I don't know.
That is so weird. I would say
Never seen that.
I would say get out and get back in. I don't know.
Yeah.
I would close Excel and just get back in.
Okay.
A code got turned on.
A code got turned on?
So
Oh,
if you get out and get back in, it should fix it.
okay. Let me go. Oh, wait, this is the one that I want.
If not, you're just a failure.
I probably am. That's okay. Okay, let's try this again. Okay, so I copy all of that.
Yeah.
Oh, you gotta enable editing, I think. Oh, maybe it'll let you without it.
Sorry, what?
Enable editing on the top.
That's their problem.
Oh, I did do that, and then, oh, okay, so now I gotta highlight the whole thing again.
So click A. Just click the A at the top.
Oh, great, okay. A,
Copy.
and then I copy.
Yes.
And then I go back to this one, and I
Click
start here.
Click an A2. Just click A2. That's it.
Okay.
And click paste. Oh, wait. You got to enable editing.
Oh my goodness.
Okay.
I bet that's the problem.
Click an
Okay.
A2 and paste.
And then I paste.
There you
Oh,
go.
there we go.
You got the right numbers.
Okay.
Whoa, good job.
Oh my gosh. Hopefully the rest of the quiz goes better than this, or else we're going to be here all day.
But now that you got it, like it's still a lot of steps, but you got it.
Okay, so you're gonna be a while.
Yeah. Okay, so 80041 is the answer.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. All right.
Okay.
You have to leave
Get
right
stuff
now.
on the back, girl.
Well, that's okay. 37 minutes to do one.
Yeah.
Okay, find the medium amount hospitals had to pay in the wrong site lawsuit.
The questions
It's
go
just a couple of rows down.
data, I think so. Okay. So then the median is on that same sheet, right?
Yes, it is.
Couple of rows down.
So 68552, is that what you guys have?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh, good. Good. We're getting the same answers.
Was that the second answer?
hmm
Okay, so it goes that fast?
Hopefully.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. And then this is where, oh, but it already has a standard deviation. Never mind.
It does give you the
That's what
standard
I did
deviation.
too.
Okay. Do you
But
have,
wait, are we supposed to round that, or how does it want that?
To the third.
Whole dollar.
okay, so round to the whole, for the standard deviation, that's what you guys are on, right?
Yeah, 71404, right? We round up.
Yep. Mm-hmm.
Okay. Use the following information to answer the next 5 questions. Oh,
No more for quiz, but like this is all it shows.
oh. You guys gonna know this?
Hold on. Okay. What is the mean? The mean is the one in the middle. So what I did personally is just
Isn't the mean the average?
the mean is the one in the
I think the mean's the average, isn't it? I think median is the one in the middle.
yeah. You can take these numbers and plug them in your chart. So 3, 19, 1. Oh, sorry. Your mean is 7.
Yeah.
Wait. I'm reading the summary at the bottom of the lesson. It says the mean is the most common measure of center and is computed by adding up the observed data and dividing by the number of observations in the data set, right?
Yeah. I got 7 too on that one.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9.
Yes. Yeah. 28 divided by 4 is 7. Or, yeah, 7. Sorry, I didn't realize you guys were there. Okay. Moving on. Question 7.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9.
So the median is the middle, right?
Hold on.
I think so.
Well,
Yes, sorry.
But there isn't a middle, so.
the median is the middle point, the
Mhm.
exact middle.
Did you guys get 4?
Yes.
I think so. Sorry, how'd you guys figure that one out?
Well, when it's an even, you go to the, what would be in the middle of the two.
Right.
So our 2 numbers in the middle are 3 and 5, and you want what's in the middle of that, so that's 4.
Okay. Gotcha.
Does that sound right?
I think so. Or would we
Yeah.
put 3 and 5? I don't know. It might
No,
be.
you put 4.
Okay.
Amy, what
It's
do you
4.
think?
You were right.
Okay.
Jen.
Okay. Oh shoot. I don't know this, guys.
Hold on.
Yeah.
Or to compute. Okay. My hand. Ugh.
Okay.
Does anybody know how to do this? I'm looking it up in the lesson.
Yeah, I'm thinking.
I think the answer is 12. Where's the problem? We have to figure out what A is.
So X is the mean minus the sample mean. Does that make sense?
I think.
Mm-mm.
I think.
Okay, so in my notes, I wrote down that X equals the mean. Okay, I'm going to back up just a second. In this little chart that we're looking at,
Mm-hmm.
it says observed data is X.
Yes.
Uh-huh.
Deviation from the mean is X minus bar over X.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Okay, so right there where it says A, now I flipped to my notes. My notes say mean is X. And X bar is the sample mean. So we're going to do mean minus the sample mean equals A. Does that make sense now?
I
I'm
think so. I'm not
Okay,
sure.
let me
The X.
go to
Minus. Wouldn't the X in this number be the observed data number? So it'd be 19 minus the sample mean.
the observed data is all of the numbers put together. Isn't it 29? I mean, 28.
Mm-hmm. You can go.
We just
don't know.
said the mean is
8 out of 16. Mm-hmm. Do the others look as hard? Let me see.
is it 21? Oh, sample mean.
I think it's going to be a while so you can go. Really? Yeah. I think it's going to, for sure. Mm-hmm. You can't do it off your phone while you're driving. No, since I already started the quiz, I can't get out and get back in.
You guys understand where I got 28 from?
That was the total of our 4.
Observed data.
Yes.
Uh-huh.
Okay, so now we need to subtract the sample mean.
So do you just mean 28 minus 19? I'm lost.
I don't remember what our sample mean is. I'm trying to, hold on.
Oh, the mean is 7. The answer that we came up with. What is the mean survival time?
Well, that's what I just wrote. 28 minus 7 equals 21.
Rachel, what do you think?
I think so. I am so lost right now, but I think so.
Deviations from the mean. The mean. But see, when it says deviations from the mean,
Did you read those?
But it's hard for me to read how to do math. I have to see it. And so class will take it later.
what if I put 2?
No, I'll give you release, but it'll make later work. I think you're in a better position to do it now.
Probably.
Wish I didn't have to at all. I think that when you take it again, you're gonna be like, oh, I wish I would have just finished.
Yeah. I agree.
And I was freaked out. Oh, look at this.
And the other thing too, Rachel, is visit with a tutor. She's fantastic.
Okay.
She's super amazing and very patient.
Oh, good to know. I might need it.
Yeah.
So are you just putting 21 for the answer and moving on?
I think I'm going to try. What about you? How do you feel about that?
I'm
Yeah.
fine with trying. I'm fine with trying.
You're like, I'm fine.
Well, no, like I understand how you got it, and
Yeah.
I'd love to know that if, of course, we'll know soon if that is correct. And if it is, I understand then how to do it. But if
Okay.
not, I'm so lost. Does that make sense? Like, so okay, did you look at 9? Give the number that would be entered into the space labeled B in the table above.
Yeah, I figured.
Which
Yeah.
it looks like it's just the answer that we got squared.
Yeah. I don't have my phone. Okay.
I can do it.
So squared is 7 times 7. 49?
Wait. I thought the answer was 21.
Oh, sorry.
441.
Yeah.
Baby.
I just want to make sure that I have the right plug in here, guys.
That was me losing
No,
my
no.
mind.
Okay. Do you agree, Rachel? Do you think that sounds right? 441 to square that answer?
Yeah.
Okay. What is the standard deviation of the survival times? Huh?
So what is 21 times 21?
441.
Yeah.
Okay. So that's what number 9 is.
Yes. But I do not understand where to get the information to answer number 10.
Okay.
What is the standard deviation of the survival times?
So would that be the 5, 19, 1, and 3? So the standard deviation of those 4 numbers?
Well, I put those numbers in my chart.
Oh.
I went into Excel and plugged it in there.
So what'd you get for the standard deviation?
8.1. It says 8.165.
Okay. So
Round to the nearest month.
yeah, round to the nearest 10th.
10th?
Oh. 10th?
Yeah. For number
Okay.
10, just to round to the nearest 10th.
Oh, so 8.2. It sure does say that. You guys see where I got 8.2?
Yes. Now.
Oh,
Well, I
you
didn't
got
plug
it?
it into Excel, but makes sense that was really smart that you went and plugged it in.
Yeah.
Okay. 11. Are we moving on? Yes, everybody?
Yes.
Okay. The next 3 questions again.
Okay.
5 number summary.
Yeah.
Number 10. No, 11, I mean.
Oh, so what is that? That's the minimum, the Q1, right?
Uh-huh.
The median. Is that right?
Yeah. And then the
Q3 and the max.
max. Yeah.
And do they want it rounded? I didn't see that. What does it say? Give a number rounded to the nearest cent.
Uh-huh.
Okay, so
And this is for
I don't remember what the 5.
this is for column B though, from the wrong site, wrong patient list.
yeah, because we get to do wrong patient, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So we need to go switch our data.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, I got it. Do you guys have your numbers?
Almost.
Yeah, almost.
Okay.
Okay, I think I have mine.
Okay, what do you have for mean?
For mean, I have 67756.
Whoa, I
Is
don't
that
have that.
wrong?
What do you
I'm
have?
not-
I have 46172.0455.
I should let me delete the whole column, but it doesn't.
Q1 3900.
The whole column.
Medium.
Really?
Mm-mm.
Right.
5. Maximum.
Cut. Or
Flip.
Isn't there clear or something?
is it working that now?
Took it out.
Just close out of this and do it again.
Okay. I'm sorry.
It's all right.
Yeah, no, you're good.
What is the
Did,
first
did you redo it, Rachel?
Yeah, I'm working on it. I have to close out of Excel and do it again because it won't let me delete the whole column still. I don't know why.
So weird.
I know. So I'm
Maybe
open.
what'd you get?
I would probably delete it when you have time and just start fresh.
Right.
Like go back to the very beginning and start fresh.
Rami, what did you get when you plugged it in?
I don't remember what number I'm supposed to look at. It's all in there.
So
I don't remember what the 5-number summary is.
it's the minimum, right? It's the Q1, it's the median, which is Q2, but it's the same thing as the median, Q3, and then the max. Is that right?
Yeah. What'd you get for the mean again on this one?
46,172.05.
Okay, perfect. I'm good now. I got it.
All right. So help me in mine.
What? Your Q1?
No, she said mean.
Oh yeah, that was
Oh.
the mean. Yeah.
Okay. Mean is what? Say it one more time, please.
Go ahead, Rachel.
Oh, 46172.05.
Okay. I'm on track.
Okay.
Okay. So when it says round to the nearest cent,
Mm-hmm.
do we want to, for the mean, is it, I did 05, right?
Doesn't the 5-number thing start with the minimum?
Oh, I don't know. Let me look.
And then go to the maximum? If I'm right, then the next 5 will go by fast. And then I'm done.
Only if you want to go.
Do. Okay. So you can talk.
Anything to talk about?
5-number summary. The 5-number summary of the data set contains the minimum value. Yes. First
Mm-hmm.
one's the minimum. minimum value, the first quartile, the median, the third quartile, and the maximum value. Did I put the wrong number?
I think so because
Oh, I did. Minimum is 0.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
so
minimum
the
is
answer to number 11 is 0.
Yes.
no. Does it just ask for the first number?
Uh-huh.
Oh, you're right. So sorry. Gosh, all that for 0. All right. What is the second number? 3,900, right?
1.
What? Who said 1?
No, I'm asking you, is the answer would be what the value is in Q1?
Yeah.
Correct. Yes, 3,900.
Okay, I haven't looked, so great.
Ooh,
Uh-huh.
tricky. What is the fourth number?
Is that max?
No, this is Q3. Fourth number is Q3.
Mm-hmm.
So it's 50145.5.
Yep.
5015.
145.5.
I'm starting all over. What?
50145.5.
Okay. Woohoo! Okay.
Oh my gosh. Okay, relax.
We can do this.
No, was it Tim was asking me? I don't know. It's always like that. Mm-hmm. Okay, 3 questions left.
Is it 100?
I don't know, guys.
I think it's 100. Let me go back to my directions. Oh, I thought I left it up. Okay. I'm in the book.
Me too. Where are you looking?
It's pretty far down.
Right below the summary, right? It's at the very bottom when they were drawing.
Yeah.
Q1, Q3. So it's the bottom right corner. Is that what I'm looking at? That's what I'm looking at.
Right here above the summary. Yes, the last line. So the median, yep, the last line is Q3.
But I mean, are we just guessing what that is? Given estimated numbers at 50? Because it's the bottom line.
Mm-hmm.
Are you following us, Rachel?
Yeah. I was looking at the book. Yeah.
Do you agree that it's 50? I mean, estimated bottom of the line there?
Wouldn't it be the top? Because
Well,
if you look at the one in the book and you rotate it up like counterclockwise, then Q3 would be the top line, which is like close to 200, right?
I rotated the
it is
other
the
way.
one that we're looking at. Oh, it is rotated. You're right. Good catch. Yes, ma'am. You can catch that. So what, 175? 180?
Yeah, like 180.
Rotated from where it's at right now.
Yeah, because this looks like this.
In the video, he talks about how to rotate a box plot. It's very interesting. Remember I told you at the very end I missed that part? The very end, he's talking about how to rotate the box plot.
That's interesting. I rotated my box plot the other way.
Oh, really?
So when you said 50, that made sense to me.
Oh. Well, I don't know.
No, but Rachel's right because you see the numbers.
Yeah.
I would have flipped mine backwards. Mine would be in the negatives.
Got
So
it.
that was
Yep. Okay, so I'm gonna go with 180.
Yeah.
Okay.
15. 16. Based on the box plot, what is the value of a mean? I don't know.
Wait, did we do number 15? Did I miss that one?
She's.
Oh, is that what you're now?
That's where we are right now.
Oh, sorry. 15 is where we're at right now. What is the longest observed time of the red box customers in the study?
I don't understand this one.
Time in seconds. See, that one's, I think, the longest time in seconds. Is that the person that's the one person that like makes it skewed, makes it go all the way out? Is that to the 705? The person
That's
at
what
the
I
very
was
top?
thinking from the 2-3
What
to
do
the
they call that? What do they call that? An outlier or whatever? I don't know
yeah,
how
an
to say it.
outlier.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, it doesn't have like an X marks the spot, but that's where the plot points end, right? So that's the person that took the longest. It took, 720 seconds? I don't know, 10 seconds?
Yeah, I think
What
so.
do you think? What do you think, Rachel?
I think I would say 720.
All right.
Okay. Where am I? I'm so lost. There you are.
Based on the box plot, what is the value of the mean? I don't know.
Hold on.
The mean is the most common measure of center. It is
Go
computed
back
by
to
adding
the
up.
book.
Yeah, that's what I'm reading. And is computed by adding up the observed data and dividing by the number of observations in the data set. But we don't have all the data, so we can't compute it, right?
That sounds right.
Yeah.
This cannot be determined because we don't have all the data for that one.
Yeah.
Yes? I'll submit if you guys want to wait and see what I got. I don't mind. Do you want to wait really quick?
Okay.
I'll submit. Okay, I just did it.
There you
If my computer would process my request. Yes, I want to submit. Oh my gosh, I hate it when it asks you 3 times. 2, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1. Oh, we got one wrong. We got 2 wrong. Question 8 is wrong. It is not 21. It should be 12. Okay, now I'm lost because where did they get 12? Question 8 should be 12.
Okay, I know. Okay, for question 8, let me see. I know how they got 12.
Okay, how'd they get 12?
Okay, so the equation is the x minus the bar over x.
Yes.
And so I took, because in observed data, it says that that is x. So I took just 19 because that's the column that it's in. And then subtracted the mean
7.
of the whole thing. Right.
7. So that's how you got 12. Got it. Okay, that makes sense. Okay, and then for number 9, the answer should be 36.
Or what is
So
number? Wait, oh, wait, you're right. You're right. Did we get number 9 right, or was that one wrong?
No, that's wrong. 9 should be 36. So that makes sense if you look at the formula. So our x is 7, right? 7 minus.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, squared. Wait, how do you get 36?
Yeah, I got 36.
Okay, wait, sure.
Yeah,
I
tell
think I get it. Yeah, tell me how you get that.
So I did 1 minus the mean of 7, which is -6, and -6 times -6 is 36.
5 is 6. Got it.
go.
Okay. Okay, let's see what else. That's where I stopped. 12 is correct. 13 is correct. 14, 15, and 16 are correct. So those are the only two we had wrong. So change 8 and 9, ladies.
Okay. Are you gonna go back and change yours?
I am.
So now,
But wait, will one of you at least hang on? Because I want to make sure that,
I will.
because if they change, the order of the questions, I want to make sure that
I already submitted mine. Sorry.
oh, that's fine. So wait, I got to get back in it. Hold on, lesson 3. Is it going to let me retake it? If you need to go, Rachel, it sounds like you need to go. I don't mind.
Yeah, I gotta go.
That's
Okay.
fine. I'll wait for her to finish up.
Okay.
Thanks, Rachel.
Yeah, thanks for your guys' help. Sorry I took forever on the first question.
You're fine. No
I'm glad you
problem at
got it.
all.
All right, we'll talk to you guys Tuesday, right?
Yes,
Yes.
see you Tuesday. Have a
All
good
right,
weekend.
You too. Bye.
Okay, bye. I'm trying to get back in it, Remy. Just a second.
That's okay.
I'm going back to the quiz again, seeing if it'll let me go back in.
See, this is why meeting twice a week is so good.
Yeah,
We can help each other out. And sometimes they just take
love it.
longer than others.
Let's see. Is it going to let me just click it again? Where do I get the retake? There. Start quiz. Okay, here it goes. It's thinking about it. Here we go. Number 1. Number 2. I typically hate when we have to meet for other classes. I hate it. I'm like, oh my gosh, why? I am so thankful for being able to work with the group on this.
Yeah, bouncing off information is super helpful.
Okay, can I just ask you to help me plug in the details? I don't want to figure it all out again. Question 3, find the mean.
80.041.
041. 80.041.
Yes.
Okay, number 4, find the median.
68.552.
52. Thank you. 5, standard deviation.
71.404.
Wait, maybe I have a different question. Question 5 reads, find the standard deviation of the amount paid in wrong site lawsuits. Round your answer to the nearest whole dollar.
Oh, sorry, it's not a point, it's a comma.
Oh, okay, so I'm sorry, what was it again?
71404.
Okay, 71404. I was like, whoa.
Sorry, I know I need new glasses, but
Oh,
this has been a problem a lot this semester.
Oh, let's see. What is the mean survival in months for the 4 patients? Number 6?
7.
Okay. Number 7, median survival time.
4.
Okay. Number 8. 8 should be 12, correct?
Yeah.
And 9 should be 36.
Yes.
Okay.
8.2.
For 10?
Yeah.
8.2. Okay, 11?
0.
Oh, that's right. 12?
3,900.
3,900. Thank you. 13?
50,145.5.
I'm sorry, I wasn't in it. 50.
145.5.
Point 5. Okay. Red box. Number 14.
180.
180. Okay, 15.
720.
720. 16. Undetermined, right? Okay.
Uh-huh.
And let's see what we got. Did you submit?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you
I
did. Okay. All right. Well, thank you so much.
Oh, yeah. No problem. Well, I hope I'm helpful for the rest of the semester. It's just a tough class.
Yeah. No, it is. Oh, you know what? On the first one, I still got it wrong because I put a point instead of a comma. That's all right.
No.
That's all right. No biggie. Well, thank you so much. I'll stop our recording and I'll upload it to the group.
Super. Thank you. See
Have
you
a great
soon.
weekend. Bye.
Bye.